Bro, I tried this creatine supplement and oh boy, I experienced a huge difference from day one automatically that week to follow-ups day after. I'll explain my experience in number order. 1. I experienced some things that was true. I automatically in general after day 1 I lost a lot of fat mass and my water weight increased too, which is good. It's important having a water weight percentage in general. Body fat and weight are not the same. Weight affect more than just only body fat. Remember that and do your own research in general with Google search engine. 2. I haven't experienced bloating. Bloating since day 1 and day 2 I experienced no bloating as my own personal experience for trying the monohydrate creatine supplement while being in a calorie deficit in general. However, trying creatine monohydrate varies from users to users. Sometimes it's better to do your own research. Sometimes it's equally better to try some things yourself. It's about balance in general. 3. My brain feels a lot sharper. My brain feels different compared to 2019 to 2022. Experiencing without creatine supplement. And yeah, their creatine you mean fish. However, it's not that effective compared to creatine supplement. 4. My muscle mass increased slightly. My muscle mass has increased as a 22-year-old man. My goal is to increase my muscle mass and lower my body fat in general. We need enough muscle mass to do everyday tasks, believe it or not. Do your own research, don't blindly believe things, and please don't say things that you don't fully understand. It's starting to become too common. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and find it valuable and educational. Have a good day, and result may varies.